Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Allo, your instructor for Microsoft Word. So today you are going to learn about formatting text in Word. Formatting text in Word. So here we are going to look at the various commands in the font group of the Home tab. Now we learn about font, then font color, font size, text highlight color, clear formats, then change case. Okay, let's look at this one after the other. So font now. So under font in the font group of the Home tab, you have the font box here. So once you select the word you want to format, for instance, you can select Microsoft Word here. You go to the Home tab in the font group. So here you have different fonts you can use. So as you are hovering the mouse over each of them, it will be changing. You can see this lucidar calligraphy. So each of them will be reflecting on the word you have selected. So the first thing to do is to select a word. Then you can pick from the list of fonts you have here. So you can pick any of these. So you can see this Garamond is Georgia. So you can just select one and apply. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you change the font of a text. So now I choose Garamond. Okay, so that is applied. Then again, bold. You can make the text bold by selecting the word you want to apply the bold formatting to. So that is selected. So you come here on the Home tab in the font group as well. Just select bold, and the shortcut for bold, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl B. You can as well apply Ctrl B on the keyboard. So that's it, Ctrl B. So once you press Ctrl B on the keyboard, so it will change the font to bold. So that is bold formatting. So that is it. So then italic, you can select a word you want to apply italic formatting to, and go to italic. So the shortcut on the keyboard for this is Ctrl I. Just press Ctrl I. So that's applied. You can as well remove it by just pressing Ctrl I again. So that's it. That's how you apply it. And if you don't want to apply the same format, you just press the same shortcut you have used, or you just click on it again, just like on the line now. So you click on the line. If you want to remove the underline, you just click on it again. Then there are different underline style here when you click on the drop down arrow. So you can give you just the single underline. You can have as well double underline. You can have as well this tick underline, then dotted underline. You have dashed underline, then you have dot dash underline, then you have dot dash underline, and wave underline. So you have different underline options you can pick from. Then you want to change the underline color as well. You can as well come here and pick any color that you care. So let's change it back to single underline. So you can see that you want to change the color here. Go to underline color and pick from the list of colors you have here. So now strike through. For strike through, you can just draw a line across the word by using strike through here. So this is strike through, cross something out by drawing a line through it. So that is it. So that's strike through. Then again, double strike through. So double strike through can be found when you launch this font dialog box. Just click here. So you have double strike through. So that is it. So you can see you just apply and it gives you double strike through. So that is how you apply double strike through. Then again, for subscripts. So this is subscript. So that you type very small letters just below the line of text, or it can be a number as well. So you can see you have 2024 here. So you can just select a number here. So and go to subscripts. So you can see that. So that's how you apply subscripts. So you can as well apply it to a word. let's assume you have another word here. You have another word here, like you type 1, 2, 3. Then you have, okay, let's remove the subscript first. Then you have, for instance, 1, 3, you have 4 here, 4. Okay, then you can make the 4 subscripts. So you can see subscripts. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is it. So, or the 204 that you had here before, 204. So to remove the subscript again, don't forget, just click here. So I can type 202, then type 4 as a subscript. So you can just use 4 as subscript, go to subscript, and that's we apply. So then 2024 superscript, now to superscript, to apply superscript. So you just select the word or the number. You can just go to superscript. So type very small letter or number just above the line of text. You can see that. So that's how you apply superscript. Just like when you what you do in mathematics, you have a power. It's the power of 4. Okay, so you can just click this again to make it normal. So you can apply comma and do 2 or 1, 2, 3. Then this is to be raised to a power. Okay, power. So that's a subscript rather. So you can see that. So to remove the subscripts formatting, you can just click on it again. So comma, then you type the number you want to apply the subscript to. Is that okay? So 1, 2, 4, for instance. So you click, or let's make it 5. So you just select and apply subscripts. Okay. So then font color. To apply font color, just select the word, then go to the font group, and you have font color right here. You can click and the drop down arrow. You can either apply the red that is showing, or you click the drop down arrow to select more colors. So this is how you apply color. Okay. Then for font size, you select the word, and you come right here, the font box, to apply different fonts. So different font sizes. So you can see there, you can just apply one after the other. So you can see that. So that is how you apply font color. Then you can as well use the command here. You can use to increase the font size or decrease the font size. So you can see that. So the number here as well will be changing to reflect the change you have applied. Okay, let's leave it as 24. So now text highlight color, you select the word to apply text highlight color. It's right here. So that will just be a background color. You can see this, right? You can go back to the drop down arrow and select. Make sure this is selected. Is that okay? So that is it. So that is applied. And to deactivate this, just click back. So that's gone. So now clear formatting. So clear formatting can be used to clear the formatting that you have applied. So now I want to apply, I want to clear formatting. For instance, I've applied this formatting. So to clear, you can just click the clear all formatting here. So you can see that. So that is the formatting you have applied before. Select it. Let's say you can see that. So that's telling you about the formatting I've applied here before. So I can as well undo the change I have here to bring it back to normal. So that's it. So you can click and apply all the formatting. So remove all formatting from the selection and leaving only the normal unformatted text. You can see that. So you see, you just apply, just select and just bring it back. Or you can come here as well. Formatting, just clear. You can see that. That's it. Then to bring it, you can just undo. Let's undo this. Let's undo this. So it gives us what we want. So if you want to as well remove it, you can select, then go back to no color. So that is it. So no color. So then change case is right here. You can apply the sentence case. So the sentence start with capital letter and N full stop. let's assume we have another case like lower case, then you want to change back to sentence case. You can see, select and go back to sentence case. Okay, let's select sentence case. Okay, so to just, okay, uppercase first, then let's see sentence case. Okay, this will turn to capital letter. Then let's see for sentence case. Okay, capitalize each word and sentence case. Okay, so let's do that again. Select, go to, okay, let's remove this and start. Okay, this will be moved to the next line. I realize this is not the first sentence on this line, so let's move this to the next line. So move to the next line and apply sentence case. Okay, very good. So that is working. So Microsoft should be the M should be capitalized. Okay, so now that is sentence case. So assuming you have it in another case, you want to turn it to sentence case, so just come here and type and select sentence case. Well, that works. So that is it. So that is how you use sentence case. So assuming this letter T starts with small letter, then you apply sentence case. You can see you select sentence case and turn to sentence case. So that's how you apply sentence case. Then for lower case, all the words here, the letters of the word will appear as lower case. Okay, that is it. So then for uppercase, so this is already uppercase, let's turn it to lowercase. Then now you apply uppercase, so all the word will be turned to uppercase. Now capitalize each word. So to capitalize each word, that means the first letter of each word will be capitalized. That is, the M and the W will be in capital letter or the uppercase. So capitalize each word. You can see that the M and W, because you select capitalize each word, capitalize each word. Okay, so that is it, capitalize each word. So you can see if this is already in lowercase, go back to capitalize each word, and the first letter of each word will be in capital letter. Now for toggle case, you can use toggle case in two ways. You can use to turn the first letter of each word to small letter, let's see, or to lowercase. So that is it. So the first letter will be in lowercase, or the toggle case. Okay, like you have all of this in small letter, you can go back and use toggle case. Is that okay? So toggle case will just give you the direct, right, or the reverse of what you already have. For instance, this is Microsoft Word in uppercase. The word Microsoft Word is in uppercase. Now you go to toggle case, you use toggle case to turn it all to lowercase. So if you go back there, you can use toggle case as well to move it back to uppercase. So that's it. Then you can come here as well. You want to use toggle case here, you use toggle case. You can see. So the first letter will be in small letter or the lowercase. Is that okay? So you use toggle case to reverse what we have already applied, like what you have here. So here I can use toggle case to turn all of this to lowercase. If I click on toggle case, so it will turn everything to lowercase. Okay, let's turn it back to uppercase by still using the toggle case. You can see that. So you can use toggle case to just reverse what you have done, just like the opposite of what you've done. So capitalize each word again. I can use toggle case to turn each letter of the word to capital. Okay, that is to uppercase rather. So you can see. So that's it. So the toggle case here, it will turn everything to lowercase. Is that okay? They click on it again, toggle case. Is that okay? So I believe you have understood all that we have learned today. So ensure you go over everything from the beginning to the end. So we are going to meet again in the next class where we'll consider another interesting topic. So make sure you practice. So see you in the next class. Bye. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.